Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Home Education. Today I am going to give simple summary of the lesson Sound of Music part first from Beehive book class 9 CBSE board. Okay, are you ready? Listen this summary very carefully and attentively. Today my topic is Evelyn Glennie, who was a great musician. She was born in Scotland. She belonged to a farmer's family. She was going to school. She was learning there. She was happy. Her childhood was happy. But when she became 8 years old, an accident took place. And do you want to know what is that accident? In fact, one day she was sitting and waiting to play piano, and her mother called her, but she didn't move. She didn't reply. Her mother thought that her daughter is a little deaf. She is turning deaf. Anyway, her parents ignored this event or accident, but this was not a normal event or accident. When she was going to school, thereafter she was doing worse performance in the school. Her numbers in subjects were deteriorated, and her principal called her parents and complained about her. Her principal advised her parents to take her to an expert doctor for her checkup because she is turning deaf. Anyway, Evelyn was taken to an expert doctor. The doctor checked her and declared that due to nerve damage she is turning deaf. And the doctor also advised her parents to give Evelyn hearing equipment and send her to the school of deaf children. When Evelyn heard this, she was surprised and shocked because automatically her life changed from better to worst. But what she could do? Nobody can ignore what is happening or what will happen. So Evelyn was an ambitious girl. She didn't want to give up. She had a great passion for music. She wanted to learn music. When she became 16 years old, she went to UK with the orchestral team, and there she had done very good performance, and so we can guess that she was a good musician. And thereafter she went to Royal Academy of London, and she gave her audition in Royal Academy of London. When she gave her audition, she got the highest marks in that institute, which was a record. In Royal Academical Institute of London, there were many teachers, but mostly teachers ignored Evelyn Glennie. There was a teacher, his name is Ron Forbes, who noted the potential of Evelyn Glennie. He understood her very well. He knew her talent. He brought 2 big drums, and the one drum he beat in slow manner, and the second drum he beat in high tune. So the teacher Ron Fox says to Evelyn, try to hear the sound of the drum by the other way. Evelyn says that Evelyn understood that the low sound of the drum she is hearing under her waist and the high sound of drum she is hearing over her waist, upside of her waist. So it is proved that she cannot hear the music, but she could understood the music very well than any of us. In the beginning, Evelyn was doing performance with the orchestral team, but later on she was doing the solo performance, and she performed many programs in which she attracted the audiences, and the public were very happy to see Evelyn because she was a deaf girl and they were thinking how she can perform music very well. They were very surprised how she can do. Anyway, they were also motivated by the Evelyn Glennie. Evelyn Glennie was doing the performance for the public, and she was also doing free performance for the patients of hospital and the prisoners of jail. This was her kind deeds. And she was also giving free tuition to the new learners of music. So her popularity was seen everywhere, and many people were excited to see her. Many people were excited to hear her music. Evelyn Glennie was not only a percussionist, she was playing other musical instruments. She was successful in playing not only native instruments but also international level musical instruments. She brought percussion to the front of orchestra. So with the hand of Evelyn Glennie, percussion was very famous. So we can say that it was only Evelyn Glennie who made percussion very popular. Evelyn Glennie won many awards and she was honored by many institutions. And now I want to give the name of her reward. She won the award of Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award, and this was not an ordinary award. Besides this award, she won many other awards. Evelyn feels music in her whole body. When she is playing xylophone or she is beating the drum, she feels that through the stick the vibration comes to her fingertips, and through her fingertips the vibration reached to her body, and she feels music in her body, and that's why she is successful in playing the music. And when she is playing the music, a special platform is made for her. This platform is wooden platform, and Evelyn reaches to the platform barefoot, and there he sits and play the drums. And when she play the drums and other members play the other musical instruments, so she feels the vibration in her legs, and through her legs this vibration reaches to her whole body. That's why Evelyn says she can feel the music in her whole body. She feels the music in her hair, she feels the music in her cheekbones, she feels the music in her legs, she feels the music in her fingertips, and she can hear the music very well than any of us. A great teacher, James Blades, says, "The God has taken her listening, but he has given Evelyn Glennie some extraordinary talent. What we hear, she can feel and hear very well than any of us. And that's why she is a good performer of the music." Once Evelyn said, when she plays the music with her teams, she notes the faces of her cooperators or her cooperating musicians. She says that a bearded man or a big mustache man can give her trouble because beard or mustache can cover whole face, so she cannot see the eyes, the lips and other movement of the face. That's why she feels trouble, and when she says this, she laughs. Evelyn means to say that she can play the music with the activity of the face of co-musicians. So she was an extraordinary musician. Anne Richlin says about the Evelyn Glennie, she says that Evelyn Glennie is a shining star for the deaf children, which is a notable thing. Many physically challenged boys and girls noted the potential of Evelyn Glennie, and they believed if she can do, they can also do. So Evelyn was a source of inspiration for many boys and girls. Evelyn Glennie speaks Scottish language very well. She says that when till she was 11 years old, she could hear. That's why she is successful in speaking Scottish language. But how she learnt Japanese language or French language, which is a surprising thing. And how she learnt this language, it is a very surprising thing. Anyway, she learnt these languages also. So she was very successful in many fields, not only music but learning in language. So students, how do you like this story? Share this story to the other students. Give your feedback to this story. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.